Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so pairing works cleanly. Make sure the AirPods Max have enough battery and are powered on. Low charge can stop Bluetooth advertising. On your PC, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and enable Bluetooth so your computer can scan. Press and hold the noise control button on the AirPods Max until the status light blinks white. This forces them into pairing mode and makes them discoverable to your PC. Once the headphones are discoverable, click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and watch the device list. AirPods Max should show up as a discoverable entry. Select them and allow Windows to install any required drivers automatically. This enables both audio and microphone profiles. After pairing, open Sound Settings, choose Output and Input, and select AirPods Max to make them your default playback and communication device. This ensures system audio routes through the headphones immediately. Finish by testing playback and the microphone. Play a short clip and use the sound control panel's test tools so you can confirm latency, volume, and mic routing. Remember that Bluetooth profiles trade off quality for mic functionality. Use stereo for best audio or hands-free when you need a microphone. If pairing fails or audio drops, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control and digital crown until the LED flashes amber then white. Then repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.